Om Shanti. We started that journey inwards in which we were looking at the things that are invisible, that are within the self, which actually make up the identity of the self and remind me that I am something quite different to the physical body. Let's go further in this journey and explore what that really means. What is it that I truly am? I've understood the things that I'm not. I'm not the body, I'm not the nationality, I'm not the color of my skin, I'm not the religion I was born into or was converted to. I'm none of those things. I'm not my profession. I'm not my possessions. I'm not the people that I'm related to. That's external. The inner being, what is that? Well, I'll share a few thoughts with you, and you can experiment with these ideas and see if they're useful for you. The physical body, and we know a lot about that. The inner being, we have many conflicting ideas that we've heard. And the inner being actually are all the things that are not visible. My feelings, my thoughts, my emotions, and then another part, my conscience, my reason, my logic, my understanding, and then another part which is huge, and that is my sanskaras, the predispositions that I carry, the imprints that I carry that propel me in life and move me in a certain direction. So something happens and these instincts, predispositions, sanskaras, they will dictate the quality of my thinking, the decisions that I make, and then according to that decision, the actions that I perform, but also that imprint of every experience and every action is then again a part of me, the soul. Let me use the word soul. The word Atma is interesting. It came from the word atom. When scientists first discovered atoms, they thought, what is the indivisible form of matter? And they thought it was atom. And so from that word Atma came the word atom, that which is indivisible. But of course later we understood that protons, electrons, neutrons are all part of atom. But this word actually is connected with Atma. And Atma is the indivisible part, the part of me, that me, which is actually the eternal I. That being which can never die. The body has a date of beginning and ending, but soul doesn't have a date of beginning or ending. So you can create physical forms, but you can't create a soul. And in the words of our different scriptures, it would come in different texts, it would say things like, that which the force of wind, fire, air, ether cannot touch, that which has no beginning and no end, eternal. And so that is that inner being.